Hello, welcome back, and thank you for turning up your volume. Today we're doing Forms of Energy, Part 8. Your lesson objective is I will be able to describe how energy is transferred and or transformed during a collision, so to conserve energy. Collisions. A collision is an interaction between two objects that physically come into contact with each other. Each object exerts a force that is equal and opposite to each other. The force exerted by each object depends on the amount of energy each object has. Most collisions involve at least one moving object. A moving object collides with a stationary object, or a moving object collides with a second moving object. During a collision, the motion of each object changes. This means that the speed of each object changes and/or the direction of motion of each object changes. The change in motion indicates that the energy of the objects change. Energy changes because energy is transferred or transformed. Conservation of energy during a collision. During a collision, energy is conserved. This means that the total energy of the system remains the same. The system includes the objects and things around the objects that collide. This includes the surface on which the objects rest, the surrounding air, and the objects that collide. In most collisions, usually at least one object has mechanical energy, specifically kinetic energy, because it is moving. When this object collides with another object, some of its kinetic energy is transferred to the other object, and some of the kinetic energy is transformed. Most often, kinetic energy is transformed or dissipated into thermal energy and sound energy. So for example, if two cars collide, some of the kinetic energy of the first car will be transferred to the second car, and some of it will be transformed into sound energy, heat energy, elastic potential energy, etc. Your independent practice is to do the collisions assignment. This is due by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday, and then log back in tomorrow for your next lesson and your next assignment. Have a great one. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.